So why have investors from all around the world been flocking to Miami to buy real estate? If you haven't put Miami on your radar as a great investment opportunity, you may be missing out. When many investors think of Miami, they think of South Beach, Art Deco, and the endless miles of white sandy beaches. However, today's best opportunities are located in downtown Miami. Welcome in. My name is Barry Cessna, your short-term rental specialist with Carver Group, brokered by eXp Realty, and I get excited about educating you on the short-term rental market here in Miami, Florida. And I have a passion for seeing you succeed. Now, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome. You're going to want to subscribe to the channel as I put out a lot of helpful information on the topic of short-term rentals here in Miami and beyond. What makes Miami such a great investment, and specifically the downtown area? Let's explore why Miami, Florida is poised for enormous growth and how you can take advantage of this opportunity. Now, first is the infrastructure. Miami Worldcenter, a $4 billion mixed-use urban playground, is currently under construction and at the heart of downtown Miami. Many compare it to the likes of Hudson Yards there in Manhattan, New York. It'll span several city blocks and will bring high-end shopping, dining, and entertainment to the downtown Miami area. Currently, several high-rise condo and office buildings are being erected, with plans for several more in the works. Also in the works is a convention center, the world's largest Apple store, and Lucid Motors, among others. And located in the area is the Miami Central train station, the new home of the Brightline high-speed train, whisking people to Orlando in just 3 hours. You also can hop the train to Miami Airport, Brickell, and soon South Beach. Second is location. Miami Worldcenter is located just south of 395, the MacArthur Causeway, an area that has long been underdeveloped. An area that was often overlooked is fast becoming the pride of Miami. Bordered by Biscayne Bay to the east and Miami Central to the west, the area is very convenient. You can walk to the former FTX Center, Bayside Marketplace, and Bayfront Park, as well as the Museum of Science, and many other great attractions. The Miami Metromover is just steps away with free transportation to Brickell City Center and the Performing Arts Center, with future plans to South Beach for a day of fun at the beach. Third is appreciation. Downtown Miami has consistently delivered strong returns for real estate investors. Property values have been steadily rising over the past decade, and demand for high-end condos and rental units remains very strong. Plus, with the recent influx of tech companies and entrepreneurs to the area, there's even more potential for ROI. As the rest of the country has seen declines in real estate over the past year, Miami continues to see property values increase due to the high demand and limited inventory. Miami Worldcenter is still at the beginning phases and is projected to see values continuing to rise as more and more development is completed, attracting more and more people. So let's talk about the short-term rental opportunities. So how can you get a piece of pie in this huge urban development? Miami Worldcenter is forever changing the face of Miami, and it's available to you. As a short-term rental specialist, I am always looking for opportunities for my clients, opportunities that will cash flow and put money in your pocket, but more importantly, properties that will build you wealth. Now, I have identified 3 of my favorites: the Elser, 600 Miami Worldcenter, and West 11th. The Elser is a building located on Biscayne Boulevard, just a block away from the 100-story Waldorf Astoria currently being built, a location with spectacular views of Biscayne Bay and the city. Currently, units are available and ready for purchase at the Elser. The building was completed in late 2022, and the units are delivered finished and furnished. Start making money from day one. The other 2 projects, 600 Miami Worldcenter and West 11th, are in the sales process. They have yet to break ground. Now, what this means for you is an amazing opportunity to take advantage of the equity that is typically achieved over the course of the construction of the building. It is not uncommon to be able to sell your unit for 20 to 25% more at completion than what you paid for it. A little bit of patience can pay you very well. Now, units in these buildings start at $400,000. All 3 of these projects give you the opportunity to live in your unit, rent it out annually, and my favorite, rent it out as a short-term rental, essentially giving you a hotel suite in one of the most desirable cities in the country. I will provide a link in the description so you'll see how much a studio 1 or 2 bedroom unit can be rented out for on a nightly basis here in downtown Miami. Now, you're going to be surprised. So what are you waiting for? Call, text, or email me today to learn more about these great investment opportunities in downtown Miami. These buildings sell fast, and as fewer units become available, the price continues to go higher. Now, take advantage of this rare time in Miami history and the development of Miami Worldcenter. My name is Barry Cessna, your Miami real estate specialist, specializing in helping investors and second homeowners navigate the world of short-term rentals. My goal is to be a resource for you and to provide you with the tools and expertise to feel confident throughout the buying process. So whether you're planning to buy a second home or an investment property, or maybe it's time for you to sell your family's unit, I look forward to helping you with all your real estate needs. And remember, as a short-term rental specialist, I have access to some of the best short-term rental investments in Florida. From Cape Coral to Miami to Orlando, Florida is full of opportunities if you know where to look. Contact me today to experience the Carver Group difference, making realty dreams a reality.